Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to moisturize your hair during the week. And so I will be using the LCO method instead of the lock method, which is so popular. The LCO method is liquid, cream, and oil. So here I'm using my aloe vera juice, and so I'm just gonna spray that all over my hair, just making sure that everywhere gets some love. So my twists are about a week old here. It looks more rough than a week old, but it's a week old. And then I'm gonna go ahead and target the ends of my hair just because it's really dry. I have low porosity hair, and so it takes a minute before my liquid penetrates into my hair, and so I kind of have to work it in that way. That way everything is moisturized. Next, I'm adding my cream of choice, the Cantu Shea Butter Curling Cream, I believe. I know people are usually not fond of the Cantu Shea Butter products, but it works just fine for me. And so here I'm applying to the ends of my hair, which is prone to dryness compared to the other sections of my hair. So I'm going to massage that through and through in my hair. Next, I am adding my Ayurvedic oil that I made. I'm going to leave a card above. That way you can check that out when you're done watching this. And I'm just going to apply that to my scalp because my scalp tends to get really dry. So that's where I'm going to apply it to first. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put it all over my hair. And I'm targeting my edges because my edges are getting thin. They've actually improved. They were much thinner before. So applying some oil to the ends of my hair. Massage it through my hair just in case I didn't get some parts. Sorry for the blurriness. Okay, and so when I'm done, I just put it in a bun and I just leave my hair alone for another 3 to 4 days or till it feels dry. And then I'll just repeat it. So I'm gonna keep these twists in for about 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how I feel. And that is basically it. That's all I do. Very easy, very simple. Just easy way to moisturize your hair, especially if you have 4C natural hair. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to leave some links in my bio for my other videos. Be sure to check those out as well. And like, comment, subscribe. Bye.